It's not hard.
Oh, there's plátano.
2, 4, 5. Just. This is our time. I think everybody's getting a bit hot.
Get ready to join us on the breathtaking Seven Hanging Valleys Trail, a journey through rugged cliffs, secret coves, and some of the most spectacular scenery imaginable. From secluded beaches to towering rock formations, this trail is a haven for nature lovers. Step by step, we'll uncover why the Seven Hanging Valleys is a must-see gem of the Algarve. Let's dive into the adventure.
Hi, welcome to TzubyCAMPERS, the place for family van life adventures. Join us as we hit the road to discover breathtaking destinations and share travel tips. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Let's get this journey started.
Our day in Carvoeiro began with a casual walk through the town. Carvoeiro is small, but it's packed with charm. The narrow cobblestone streets are lined with whitewashed houses, colorful storefronts, and a variety of restaurants offering everything from seafood to Portuguese pastries. We spent some time at the main beach, Praia do Carvoeiro, but my focus was on the incredible cliffs and coastal views that would soon lead us to the trailhead for the Seven Hanging Valleys Trail.
After soaking in the charming vibe of Carvoeiro, we set off to tackle the renowned Seven Hanging Valleys Trail. Stretching 5.7 kilometers, this iconic route is celebrated as one of the Algarve's premier hikes, showcasing some of the most breathtaking coastal scenery in Portugal. From the moment we started, the trail was well marked and easy to navigate, immediately rewarding us with sweeping views of the cliffs and the vast ocean below. The Algarve's coastline, with its golden cliffs, hidden caves, and turquoise waters, truly shines on this trail, offering access to some of its most stunning and secluded treasures.
The Seven Hanging Valleys Trail is a moderately easy hike, but the terrain can be rugged in some places, so be sure to wear comfortable shoes. The route takes you along a series of dramatic cliffs, offering jaw-dropping views. There are several hanging valleys along the way, which are essentially deep ravines that drop down to the sea, creating dramatic waterfalls and rock pools. Each valley has its own unique beauty and story.
Along the trail, you'll also encounter several stunning beaches, like Praia de Marinha, often considered one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. The golden sand is framed by towering cliffs, and the crystal-clear water is perfect for a swim. If you're a nature lover or photographer, this trail offers endless opportunities to capture the rugged beauty of the Algarve.
It's the seaweed making it like that. The effect of the seaweed.
After completing the Seven Hanging Valleys Trail, we returned to Carvoeiro, feeling refreshed and inspired by the incredible sights we had just experienced. If you're planning a trip to the Algarve, this area is an absolute must-see, and the Seven Hanging Valleys Trail is one of the best ways to experience its unspoiled beauty.
The Seven Hanging Valleys Trail offers some of the best hiking in Portugal. Every step is a reward, from the towering cliffs to the hidden coves, from the golden beaches to the endless ocean views. This is nature at its most breathtaking. So pack your boots, follow the trail, and let the Seven Hanging Valleys remind you why the world is worth exploring. Until next time, keep chasing the horizon.
Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up. To make your experience even more incredible, don't forget to check out our TzubyCAMPERS accessories on our website. Plus, we've got some great deals waiting for you. Don't miss out.